Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a calendar date stamp to a picture on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe up to go into the app screen and tap on Gallery. In Gallery, you want to open up a photo album that has the photo that you want to add a timestamp. Now select a photo and then tap on Edit button at the bottom. Next, tap on a sticker at the bottom, so tap on the sticker icon. And then you want to tap on the calendar timestamp button. And in here at the top, there are 4 different timestamps that you could use. Choose one of the 4. So for example, if you want to use that one, you can tap on that. And in here, you can tap on the timestamp label. You can increase or decrease the size of the timestamp. Now, if you want to change the date of the timestamp, you double tap on it. And from the calendar date chooser, you want to select a date. So tap on the date that you would like to use. So let's say on the 19th. And once you tap on the done button, your timestamp will change. And then tap anywhere else on the screen to make the changes. Now don't forget to save. Tap on the save button to save that change. And that's it. So now if we go back to this gallery, you can see now there is a new timestamp. And if you tap on the edit button, you can revert back. So if you change your mind, you can always tap on the revert button to revert it back to the original copy. And then tap on save. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.